should I take the honors class or the HL class and get a B, or take the standard level or regular class and get an A? And I always disappoint a lot of people and upset them because I say you should take the high level or honors or AP class and get an A. Do what you need to do. Get the tutoring, go to Khan Academy, talk to your teachers, do the extra work, form a study group, reach out to other students. It's imperative that you show that you are working as hard as possible. Now, if you get a B, is it the end of your academic career and college hopes and dreams? Absolutely not. For example, you might get a B in AP Physics and actually have your AP Physics teacher write a recommendation that said, listen, Susan here is one of the hardest working students I've ever seen. She really got tripped up on this one module and it dragged her grade down, but I think she's just exceptional. She holds exceptional promise, and I have no doubt that in the second half of this course, she's going to come back strong with an A, right? That's a very effective and meaningful narrative around that physics grade, right? But in general, do the work, dig in. You're in for, a painful couple months ahead of you. I won't sugarcoat it, but all of this is leading to our college journey,